What up? What up? Good morning. Here we are, summertime, month of July, and it is getting warm. Down in Phoenix, it's 118 today, and I'm glad I'm up here. It's about 82 degrees right now. Today's project is we got some retaining wall bricks in the back here. If you notice, the Armada is pretty low, weighed down. I've got some Portland cement. Actually, I don't think it's Portland. It's just regular high density cement. And then the idea for today is to build a little tiny 8-inch retention wall so this doesn't wash away. We're going to flatten this surface, this area. We're going to pour some concrete on top of it and try to make it a more solid space for hanging out by the campfire, and just mainly to stop the erosion from going down the hill here. So that's what we're going to work on today. Hey guys, so we're getting started here. There's just a quick glimpse of what is beginning. I'm going to outline kind of half this circle with just these retaining wall blocks. As soon as I get this all blocked in, then I'm going to stir up all the dirt, get it nice and fluffy. Then I'm going to take the rototiller to it, get that all mixed up, and then I'm going to sprinkle all this concrete across it all, and then tamper it, or mix it again with the rototiller, then tamper it down, then put some water on that, and let it cure for a little bit, and probably add more water a little bit later. But that's where we are right now. Do you want to get some right now? Because when we get back, we're going to like shower or something. All right, I'll hook up the... All right guys, quick break. Grease was just washing her hands up here at the outside sink, and she walked back in the house, and I heard the pump go off, or not go off, I heard the pump go on, and they kept running, so I ran up there. The tank was completely empty, and here it is, a Saturday morning, and it's getting hot out here, so we need to go get some water. So what we're gonna do, I've explained this in other videos, but you know, repetition is good. So but this is what we got going on right now. We got water tank hooked up in the trailer, 250 gallons. There's an RV park down here. They only charge us 10 bucks to fill up the tank, so we're gonna run down there and do that really quick, get the tank full of water, as we're probably gonna be taking a shower right there, and it's a really good way to cool off in the middle of the day. All right guys, here we are at where we get the water, at the water well. These people are nice enough to only charge us $10 to fill up the tank. This is where we get the water straight up out of the ground. It's actually drinkable water, so it's comes from a spring right in the ground, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill it up. What? Lost power? Anyway, had to go get some water. As you can see, it's right there. It's full because right when we turned on the pump ended up breaking. So we only got a little bit in the tank up there. Regardless, I got a bucket, hauled some water, so we have enough right now. We'll fix, there's another pump coming tomorrow. And we're gonna get back to this, get this all finished up. I think I'm gonna stop right there. We're gonna stir all this up so that we can get all the cement mixed in, and then we're gonna tamper it down and start putting water on it. Hey guys, so what I'm working on here is I'm loosening up all the dirt so I can be able to rototill it, be able to mix. I'm mixing about 4 inches of, or just loosening up the top 4 inches of dirt here. And then I'm gonna come through, put the cement over the top, and then we'll start mixing it in. Hey guys, so bad news. The little rototiller I bought over there has a leak in the gas tank and cannot be used on this project. So I'm gonna have to do my best shoveling. It's gonna be a little more work, but go through and get this as soft as I can. And I'm also gonna have to come back and then when I mix in the cement, it's going to be a little bit more work to do that as well. And I got to get rid of these little sticks that are hanging out. I think I got all the major rocks pretty level right now. I'm going to tamp it down and see if I can break up some of this bigger stuff. And we're just going to keep on going. Give you a quick look at this. Anyway, I've got it all tamped out. I'm going to start mixing the dirt with the cement. At the same time, we got some rain coming this way. I gotta get the concrete out, and I've got 1, 2, 3, I got 12 bags of concrete. So right now we're gonna pour it out, get mixing, and then we'll have to tamp it out again, and then the rain can come. Then we got to put water on it, but that's where we're at right now. Here's another look at it. I pulled all the soil back away from these tight edges. I'm going to mix them with concrete. Once I get them mixed, or with cement, get them all mixed up, then I'll push it back against the wall, and it'll be a good solid mixture. Otherwise, I won't be able to mix too close to this wall. So I'm going to mix it out here, then I'm going to push it back and get all this wood out. I'm going to push it back, and we should have a good solid mixture at that point. All right, got all the bags out. Going to start spreading everything out, and then I'm going to mix it in. Hey guys, so that does it for this week. Take a look at the pretty much finished project. It's still curing. I watered it down pretty good this morning. I think it's gonna set up pretty good. I did add a lot of water to it this morning. So right now it's getting really hot out. I'm sure it's gonna cook this floor and get it nice and hard and cure it up. But that's it for this week. Talk to you next week. Bye.